Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh and Yakshi Mash. Good day, y'all. Today I have got this wonderful vintage Electrolux 550 vacuum cleaner. Oh, the badge of Madge. Nomine Christi, amen. With edge brushing on this upright. Now, we've got super suction. We've still got the badge on it. It's a bit worse for wear, but it's still on there. And we've got the adjuster here for the bag full whistle. It's a little bit stiff. Wait, that's what she said. We leave it there for now. On and off switch up here on the top. And behind, we got the port for the external hose. I don't have any of the attachments for this particular model, but I do have them. So this is the before video, before I've done a refurb on it. Although, to get it to be able to this point where I could work, I have done some preliminary things to it. So, for example, if I open this, you can see everything's still really dirty. I have vacuumed out the inside. The filter thing is on the radiator. It should be dry by now, but it's on the radiator, so I've just stuck this on it for now. So I haven't put the ring around it yet, so the whistle's not going to work properly, but I'll do all that in the next video. And if I turn it upside down, I'm going to turn the camera off a second. So I had to put a new belt on it. I vacuumed out the worst of the fluff and dust bunnies, but as you can see, it's still manky. So I put a new belt on it, cleaned it out, and the inlet port, or hole, or whatever, I can't remember what you call it, underneath the rug plate was completely and utterly blocked. So I had to pick out all the fluff and dirt that would blocked it, and now it's got suction on it. It works. So I'm going to give it a quick demo of it now, and then I'll do a video on cleaning it up, and then I'll do a video on demonstrating it. But it's in really good condition. It's just a bit manky, and the motor needs some TLC and a little bit of lube. The cable on it, which is the genuine cable, has no nicks or tears or anything, which is really good. And we have a genuine original Electra plug, which will look a lot better after a little bit of polish on the brass, and put this through the dishwasher to clean it up. So that will look a lot better when I've done. So right, let's crack on. They get it plugged in and let's give it a go. So if I just turn it on for you to hear. See, it's just a little bit dry, but it sounds okay. And of course the whistle's going off because I don't have that gasket on the top of the bag, so it's going to sound with a bit of the whistle. So that will stop. Okay, let's go. So yeah, sounds a little bit rough. And of course, like I said, the whistle's working because I don't have that gasket on it. So that's one floor. Let's try the next one down. Okay. Okay, so even though that hasn't been used in donkey's years, and I've literally just given it a little mini touch-up, then it's worked really, really well. And I do like the height adjustment on it, because even though it just says high and low, it does actually stay in a medium position if you wanted to. So that's really good. So there we go. That is the Electrolux 550 before refurb, with a quick demonstration. In the next video, we will really get it all polished and cleaned and fixed and sounding a lot better. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, so there's a good base to it. So its restoration will be pretty easy, because it's all working. It's not rusted or anything. It's in good condition. So first of all, I'd like to thank my friend Kimmy for picking this up for me on, I think he bought it on Facebook Marketplace or Gumtree, I'm not quite sure, and gave it to me as a gift. And so I'd like to say great big thank you to him, and I can't wait to work on this now and get it looking perfect. So I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all.